snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Okay, here is my kitchen tree. Let me give you one quick scan. It is a sweet treat baking themed tree, if you can't tell by now. All right, DIYs for this tree. So I don't know if you'd call this a DIY, but the tree topper, I basically got a bunch of picks and then found that little stuffed gingerbread girl, and I just put that all together. And then this is not a DIY. I probably could have done it myself, but I just got that from Hobby Lobby. And then there's a candy cane on here. Let's see, here. This is a Dollar Tree, let me take it off. Dollar Tree wrapped candy cane that I just wrapped with some white rope and then did sparkly ribbon on it. So I've got a couple of those as fillers. I'm trying to look at the tree, but I don't see anything else. And then down here, I have these two quilted peppermint pillows. These are DIYs, but not by me. They were made last year by my daughter, who was 13 last year, and she started making these, and she actually started taking orders and made some money off of these as a little business. So she made those for me, and I absolutely love them. They're so stinking cute. And then that pillow, I'm sure you guys have seen it, was from Target. And then the only other DIY in this area is my little gingerbread market stand, which I just put the tutorial up for that on my channel. I will link that video down below if you didn't see it. The gingerbread people are from Hobby Lobby. I did not make those. Had a couple people ask, which I'm flattered that you would think I could do that, but I don't know. That would probably be a little more challenging than I'm willing to take on at this point, but anyway. And there we go. That is my Christmas sweet treat themed tree. All right, there you go.
All year long I've been keeping track of when I've been naughty and nice. And from what I can tell, I've done more good deeds than I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree.